Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your engine air filter. This is a straightforward maintenance task that you can complete in about 10 to 15 minutes, and it doesn't require any special tools. Regularly changing your air filter is crucial for maintaining optimal engine performance and ensuring good fuel efficiency. Let's get started and save you some money on dealership service. To begin, safely open your vehicle's hood and secure it with the prop rod. Next, identify the engine air filter housing, which is usually a prominent black plastic box located in the engine bay. You'll find two metal clips on the front of this box. Simply unlatch them. Once the clips are released, carefully lift the front of the airbox cover and pull it slightly backward to disengage the rear tabs. With the airbox open, you can now easily remove the old, dirty air filter. Take a moment to inspect the inside of the airbox for any leaves, dust, or debris and clean it out if necessary. Before inserting the new filter, observe how the old one was seated. Typically, the rubber sealing gasket faces down. Carefully place your new filter into the housing, making sure it sits flush and creates a proper seal. Now, it's time to reassemble the airbox. Carefully align the two tabs on the back of the airbox cover with their corresponding slots on the lower housing. Gently push the cover down until it sits flush. Then, re-engage the two metal clips on the front to securely fasten the airbox. Finally, remove the hood prop rod and close your vehicle's hood. You've successfully replaced your engine air filter.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.